Hello everyone. So today we're gonna solve this question number 1672 richest customer wealth. So in this we can see the data is given. You are given a m into n integer matrix. So we are given an integer matrix with of the name accounts. The name of the matrix is account, where account A of I of j is the amount of money ith customer. This is the ith customer has in the jth bank. So basically, we are given a matrix of m into n of amount of money the customer has in this bank. So what we are supposed to do, we have to say, we have to find return the wealth that the richest customer has. We have to find the richest customer out there. So what is the richest customer? A customer wealth is the amount of money that they have in their bank account. As I said, we have to find the person who has highest number of amount of money in his bank account. Okay, if we see into example, we can see we are given an array of name accounts. In accounts, we can see there are arrays, bunch of arrays. There is two arrays, there is three arrays. Each array represent the amount of money a person has in different accounts. So a person, see, this first person has amount 1 in one bank, amount 2 in second bank, amount 3 in third bank. This second customer has amount 3 in one bank, 2 in one bank, and 1 in one bank. So we have to find the highest amount of money a person has in his bank. So how we can do this? We can do this by adding the total amount of money a person has in all the banks. In this case, the first customer has amount of 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So he has a total amount of 6 in this complete all banks. And the second customer has amount 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6, the total amount of money in all the banks. Okay. So what is the highest amount of money a person has in the bank, which is 6, because the highest number is 6. If we see in the second, 5 plus 1 is 6. The first customer has 6. The second customer has 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. The third customer has 3 plus 5 is 8. So highest amount of money is 10. So this person become the wealthiest person. Okay. So they have explained also, first customer has a wealth of 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. Second customer has wealth of 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. So both customers are considered the richest with the wealth of 6. So return 6. So we just have to iterate over the array. We have to go through the array. We have to find total amount of money a person has in his bank, and we have to find the wealthiest person out there. If there are wealthiest person out there, no, we have to find the person who has the highest number of money. Here we can see the highest amount of money is 6. So we have to return 6. Okay. So if we see the example 3, 2 plus 8 plus 7, which is 10, 17. And if we see 7 plus 1 plus 3, which is 11. And we can see 1 plus 9 plus 5, which is 15. The highest number is 17. So the person, the highest amount of money among these three is this person having a total of 17. So we have to return 17. Okay. So how we are going to solve this? Okay, so for this, to find who has, here if we see the solution, all written, I have taken integer max wealth. So this max wealth we'll be returning the highest, which is this. We have to return something, right? We have to return the highest number. So here we'll be returning the max wealth. So initially we took the max wealth as 0. So what we did first, we have to iterate over this array. So we iterated through this array, because each time we have to iterate. First, we have to go to the first customer, right? So to go to the first customer, we have iterated through this array. How did we do this? We did the for loop. We said start with 0, because array start with 0, index start with 0. This is the 0 index, and the size of the array should be equal to accounts.length. The accounts.length tells the amount of elements in array. So in this accounts.length, there are two. This is first customer and this is second customer. So this makes the accounts.length is equal to 2. For this, there is 1, 2, 3. For this, accounts.length is equal to 3. And increment the value of I plus plus by 1. Okay. So then what we did is, we took the current wealth is 0, because we don't know what is the current wealth. So we took the current, we have initialized another variable named current wealth and made it to 0. So after initializing the accounts.length, we have to go to the first one. So we have to choose this. For this, what we did, we said int, we have made another for loop, int j is equal to 0, and j should be less than account of I dot length. Now what is account of I dot length? So when we said j is equal, I said each array starts at 0. So first we have to select this array, right? Out of this array, we have to select this array. So what we did, start with 0 at index array. So we chose this. With this, we selected this one first. Then it's gonna, after it's completed doing whatever process it want with this, it's gonna go with the next array. So after selecting this, initially after selecting this, we have to select this element, right? Because if we're going to select this, then 2, then 3. This is also an array. So for this, we have created another for loop, which will say it starts with 0 and it is equal to accounts of I dot length. What is accounts of I dot length? To select an integer from an array, what we have to do, accounts of I, which is accounts of I. What is the I value here? 0. So account of 0 dot length. So this is the 0th array. In this account, this is the 0th array. This is the first array. So account of 1 will become this. If you see here, account of 0 will be this, account of 1 will be this, account of 2 will be this. Okay. So we chose this array, account of 0 dot length, this one, and we said increment 1 plus 1. So now we did current wealth is equal to current wealth. We know the current wealth. If you see current wealth is equal to current wealth plus account dot account, and the value of each element will be added to current wealth. So current wealth was 0. We added current wealth plus account of I of j. Now what is the account value of I of j? So I is 0, j is 0. So in this, the 0th index is this. So we selected this, and in this, the 0th element is this. So 1 added here. So current wealth 0 plus 1. So current wealth value became 1. Then again it iterated again 0, 2. Account of 0, 2. Account of 0, 2 will become this 2. So we know current wealth value became 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So current wealth will be 3. Current wealth become 3 plus 3. It will become 6. The current value became 6. Okay. Then what we did after iterating through this, then it will go again to the second one. Okay. It will go to the second one and it will do the same process. It's gonna find the total of this. Okay. And the logic we are using is if the current wealth value. So current wealth value is 6 here. If the 6 is greater than max wealth, which is 0, then max wealth value will be changed to current wealth. It will be 6. And we are gonna return the max wealth.